Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. I've been starting camping, and so I got something that would be probably a little bit useful. So today I've got an unboxing of the Anker 240 watt high speed input output power bank. So this is the Anker 737 power bank, and it is 24,000 milliamps, and it's got at 140, which is perfect for the MacBook Pro, so it'll charge it to the maximum spec. And it's got a design as well where it's got all that comes in on it as displayed, so what it does and things like that. Now this has 4 USB slots, 3 USB-C and 1 USB-A. Alright, let's get this box opened up. Looking at it as usual, a bit too much information for my liking. These are pretty easy to open, not too hard. There you go, they're nicely done, and it just slides out like this. Alright, that's done. Comes in with the brick right in the middle, and doesn't have anything else. It's got a bit of a, that's very nice, that's not too bad at all. There's no give in it, but it's very soft, it's nice, not too bad at all. And it's got a bit of a support booklet as well, which I don't think we need this in this day and age, but this is very nice of them to include this, not too shabby at all. Let's have a look. So you get a USB-C to USB-C, 140 watt, beautiful, that's fantastic to see. Okay, nice and soft inside as well, not too shabby at all. Let's get this bad boy opened up. Okay, look at that. It's not too bad at all. It's quite a bit bigger than the charger. I've got a 120 watt Anker charger as well, but this is a lot bigger as it's a battery, you know, not just a charger. It's got this nice looking plastic over here, a bit of a pattern to it, as you can hear it. On the back it's nice and smooth. Okay, you've got 2 USB-C, out, and a IQ USB-A, and you've got the power button. Now I'm pretty sure, don't get me wrong, I'm pretty sure it had 3 USB outs. So let's have a look. So you've got a USB-C input, okay, input, 2 outs. Okay, beautiful. Alright, now let's give this a little open, get it out of the way. That is magnificent, looks very sleek. I like it. Now, where is the USB in? How do you charge this? Do you open it somewhere? Okay, anyways, let's get this turned on. Anker. 21% charge, says it right there. Maybe I hold it, turn it on. So it's got 21% charge, and okay, so it's not really a in and out, so it's an in and out. Okay, so the C1 is in and out, so you can charge it through here as well, which is fantastic. All right guys, that's basically it. Thank you for watching it to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm impressed by it. I'm looking forward to using this, and I'm looking forward to bringing you guys in a review of this. Thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye-bye.